What's up? I'm Odin, and this is my big purple bus. Wahoo!
Oh yeah, warming up that leather. We gotta go for a walk.
Oh yeah, boots are on, laced up. We ready to go. Gonna conquer that snow today.
Oh yeah, got the OBPB swag on. Let's go. We're gonna go walk in some snow. Gonna mount you right here. You get a POV chest cam view with the GoPro. Let's go. See you in a bit.
All right, here we go. Oh, it's coming down. Don't look at my password, you guys. Don't look at my password. You guys. Make sure it's all secure. All right, we're good. Yeah, look, the car is covered in snow. Hopefully the GoPro's all right. We're gonna be in probably about 2 feet till we get to the street. Oh, this is so funny. I'm not the only one that's walked, apparently. And we're walking again. All right, here we go. I'll put my hoodie up. Got my beanie on, got my hoodie on. We're good though. Gonna go walk to the store. It's about a quarter of a mile away in that direction. Oh, it's gonna get muddy. All right, and wet. All right, we're gonna walk this way and hopefully not getting a ton of water. All right, we made it to the road. Look at that. It's coming down. I'm gonna walk in these tracks. Cause I'm crazy. And everybody knows it. It's all slush. Yuck. We're gonna walk over here in this one. Luckily, I got these really awesome boots from Ren Fair. We're slipping and sliding, you guys. Slipping and sliding. Waving hi to the neighbors. This ain't too bad. My shorts keep falling. I tighten my belt. Hold on. All right. Yep. I'm out here in shorts. All right. We're gonna cut across these semis. Because the store is over here in this direction. So that's where we're gonna go. All right. Lots of snow. Whoa. Slippery spot. Okay. So we're gonna cut across over here, I think. Because I don't want to walk all the way around. Ooh, maybe not. That is a lot of water. Hey, we got somebody sliding through right now. We should walk out the way and see if they reckon to this truck. No, they're good. That is a lot of water though. Ugh. Well, I might be able to get through right here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. The deep. Yeah, we'll just walk around. Half it. It's not that bad. Could be worse. That is a lot of water though. A lot of water. Holy cow. If it was just water, you know, it'd be one thing, but it's like cold water, so yeah. I think everywhere is going to be closed pretty much, except for like the TA and stuff. Here we go. Boom, we're across. Just like that. All right. Gotta keep pulling my shorts up though, they keep falling. Okay, we're crossing across right now. I don't want to take a chance. They got their roads closed though. Look at that. Fire department up front, making people turn around. It's crazy. They're probably gonna think I'm crazy. Cause I am. I'm crazy. All right. Let's see. There's a lot of water around here. Looks like there's an easy way to get around. Maybe through the snow. Maybe. Let's see if we can get across. Yeah, look. We gotta go around like everybody else. I make my own path. Oh, there's water underneath this ice. Gotta be careful. All right, we made it in the parking lot, you guys. Barely. Barely. Still water in the parking lot. From everybody driving through the snow. Here we go. Almost there, almost there. All right, here we are. All right. All right. And here it is, everybody. This is why we came.
يعني زيادة بجوز تبعوز الشام بنت وسخنة. Sí, más que otra me explicaste.
Let's see what we're gonna get. 30 and 30. Old VIP. Golden Casino. Ticket 58, almost done. Ticket 25. Okay. Let's do a $20 Gold Rush, $20 Monopoly. Ticket 9er. And ticket 13. Lucky 13, Mike. Okay. Alright. $5 left for two $30 sessions. We're gonna go with a bingo. There we go. Ticket 31. Let's go. All right. We got our tickets. Let's go back out into the cold. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
All right, everybody. Whew. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Da 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 da. Here we go. All right. Back out into the cold. Everybody thinks I'm crazy, by the way. Got my hoodie on. Got my GoPro strapped to my chest. It's all shut down. They're parking vehicles, like big vehicles that can't go on the highway because the highway's shut down. They're parking them right here in the parking lot. They got the fire department redirecting people right now. That's kind of crazy. And I'm the only crazy guy out here in shorts and a hoodie. Got my boots on though. I got my boots on. All right. Back through the parking lot. And we're gonna get back home. Edit this video. And go live for everybody on YouTube's. All right, here we go. Back through the wilderness, we're making our own path. To boldly go where only me has gone before. And a couple other people, not just me. Whew. This is thick snow, you guys. Thick snow. All right, we're getting around it though. We're getting around it. I'm following my path. Following my path. Same footsteps. Same footsteps. Looks like Bigfoot was through here, you guys. All right. We made it across. Whew. All right. All right, here we go. Back on solid ground. Whew. All right. Those guys are laughing at me in that car. I think it's hilarious. We're having a winter storm and I'm out here, you know, just walking around in shorts, and it's noticeable. You can see my boots. All right, we're gonna cut back through across here because I think that's the best way to get to the street to get back home. Woo! All right. We'll go this way. Oh, excuse me. Arby's is closed. I don't blame them. I wouldn't want to go to work in this either. I can see my job from here though. And if you're smart, you've seen my job a couple times in this video. I'm not gonna say the name of the place, but I've told several people how my job is so close and how I work at a certain place. All right. Everybody's looking at me like I'm weird, you guys. Oh yeah. And the guy in the big purple hoodie walking down the street in black and purple boots, leather up to his knees. Cause I'm crazy. We all know it's true. This is all for you guys. Am I gonna get some likes for this video? Crazy guy walks to the store in snow during blizzard winter storm just to get scratch tickets. Headlines. I'm getting hot, yeah. Not gonna lie, you guys don't understand like how much I sweat. I should have not worn the hoodie probably. Kind of feels like a regret because I'm sweating now. I probably would regret not having it though, because my arms would have gotten a little cold at some point. Okay, I want to make sure nobody was coming up behind me. Not far from home. Not far from home. Yo, shout out to Catskill custom moccasins from Scarborough, not Scarborough, well, I mean they went to Scarborough Ren Fair, but from the Colorado Renaissance Festival for making my boots. Yep, somebody coming up behind me. There we go. Think I'm crazy? I don't care. I thought I heard somebody coming up behind me. But shout out to Catskills custom moccasins. They made my boots and they are fantastic. My feet are comfy and cozy. I've been walking through snow and water and ice. My feet are nice and warm and dry. Oh, there's a lot of water. I don't want to take a chance though. We're gonna walk in the snow that's hardened on the side of the highway versus the wet stuff that's been driven in 1,000 times. Oh, it's so funny. People are getting stuck. Watch, we're gonna check it out in a second. They're fighting the snow right now, it looks like. Woo! Spinning out and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, we're recording again. People are driving. Haha, it's getting out. People don't know how to drive in the snow around here. It's so funny. I'm just walking through it. And my feet feel awesome, you guys. Like, I was worried a little bit that the leather was gonna get cold because I'm walking through snow. But no! The lamb's wool on the inside of here feels so freaking good. And look at this. I'm walking through about 2 foot of snow. No problem. I'm in shorts, for crying out loud. And it feels all right. I'm sweating. And there it is. There's the big purple bus in the snow. Ooh. Oh yeah. It is nice out here whenever it snows. I like it. It's dumping. It's dumping. Look at Sonic the Hedgehog covered in like 2 foot of snow. All right, here we go. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, guys, don't look at my password. I don't want you guys to see how I get in my... Okay, whoa. You might have caught the end of it there. Hey, look, they're playing around with four-wheeler. Four-wheeler. All right. Here we are. Whew. Take this off now. I'm sweating. Whew, I'm sweating. But all right, that was walking to the store in snow to get lottery tickets for you guys. Like and subscribe for more videos from Colorado. That's what I come home to. Really? Really? Did I go to the store in the snow and I didn't take y'all? I'm sorry, Blue, but the snow's taller than you. It's warm in here, you guys. Yes, it is. It's warm in here. You're special, Blue. You're special, Blue. So special. So special. Oh, whatever. You're so special. You're so special. I was going for like 20 minutes. Calm down. Yes, I was. It was only like 20 minutes. It was only like 20 minutes. I wasn't going that long. You were special.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Follow and subscribe to see what I do next.